Here are the birds. And man, there are a lot of birds. What are they doing? They're kind of talking. Wow, this is Alfred Hitchcocky. Now the back ones will go to the front, and then they all kind of take off. And then relocate. I mean, I've never... Whoa! A lot of birds. Driving over this guy. That's the weirdest thing I've ever seen. Okay guys, what's going on? Okay, whoops. Holy moly. Man, oh! Well, if I was an ornithologist, yo, holy shit. Okay, so that bunch is going away, but now they're circling. Man, they're coming by like little rockets. Hell's bells. And they go up like in a big swarm. This is Alfred Hitchcock, man.
Those prominent cowbirds, I think.
They kind of go from the back to the front, and then they all take off. It's a good thing I don't have any bread. Never seen this many. They're like lining the bike path.